Hello everybody, my name is Manuel Paulos. Today I want to show you in this tutorial how to use our new pixel editor inside the app. But first things first, once I've linked all of my fixtures into my network, I will go under Settings, Network, Group and Fixture Positioning, and click on All Fixtures, or a specific group I want to choose. In here, I can now lay out all of my fixtures in my mapping. Important, set your grid layout to 16 centimeters on the top, and by doing that, I can now guarantee that my fixtures will have perfect pixel pitch between each other, which is very important when running text over it. Save and exit. When you're under Control, go under Overlay, Pattern, and now click Edit Pattern on the bottom right corner. Here I can create up to 5 different patterns. I'm going to select pattern 4, and now I need to select my canvas size. On the x-axis, I have a total of 48 pixels, so I'm going to turn those up to 48. And on my y, I have a total of 8 pixels. You can also double tap on the pixel count, type in the exact pixel count you need, and click Set. I can draw something on my canvas. I can also add images. You can add JPEGs or PNGs. Or I can add text. And I'm going to click text, and I'm going to write something like, for example, Nexus Lights, and hit OK. I'm going to move my text to where I want to position it. I'm going to position it right here and click Confirm. Don't worry that your text is bigger than your canvas. This is not an issue. You can have your text as long as you possibly want. I'm going to now hit Save. Under Overlay Pattern, swipe all the way to the right where I can see all my 5 patterns and hit pattern number 4. I will not see anything because my dimmer is still turned off. I'm going to turn out my dimmer, and as you can see now, I have Nexus Lights written right here. But oh, half of it is missing. Don't worry. Go back under Pattern. I'm going to change my direction to left and movement to dynamic. And now my text will run over my fixtures. But the first issue is it's way too fast. So speed, I'm going to slow it right back down again to something like this. And the second issue I'm having is that Nexus Lights is bunched together at the end right here. To solve this, I'm going to do end of delay. I'm going to bump this up to 3. There will be a gap between lights and Nexus. And this gap can be as big or as small as you want it to be. You can also add a fade time. So if I do like a medium fade, your text or your image will fade across the screen. But for text, I'm going to turn this off. Under color, I can now add a color to my text if I want to do that. And if I, for example, now want to add a background color, all that I need to do is go under my color tab and choose a different color, for example, green. I'm going to dim this down a little bit so we can still see our text. And there you have it. It's that easy to use the pixel editor and add text, images, or draw whatever you choose. Thank you everybody for watching. If you have any questions, drop them down below, and I'll see you all next time.